Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a sun catcher using this beautiful butterfly stainless steel component link that we just got in. We got in a lot of these larger sizes and they are perfect for making sun catchers. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our prism to this hoop and work our way up. So this is about 2.5 to 3 inches worth of 22 gauge stainless wire. I'm going to string my prism on there and I'm going to push both sides of the wire up so that they crisscross at the top. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to make one of these wires go straight up. Then I'm going to hold it all here together and I'm going to take the wire and bend it around. I'm going to bend it around 2 to 3 times and then I'm going to cut off my excess wire. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put it at the top right there. And I'm going to bend that wire away from me so there's an angle right there. Then I'm going to put my pliers right in that bend that I've created and I'm going to bend it around. Then I'm going to add my hoop and I'm going to hold it right here and then I'm just going to bend this other wire back around until it reaches the wire below. And then I'm going to cut off my excess wire. Next, I'm going to want to attach my hoop to the chain, and I'm going to do that using a 4mm jump ring. So I'm going to put pliers on one side, a pair of pliers on the other, and just gently twist that open. And then I'm going to attach my hoop, and I'm going to attach my chain. And then I'm just going to twist that back into place. Next, I'm going to want to attach my chain to the bottom of butterfly, and I'm going to do that with another 4mm jump ring. So I'm just going to put pliers on either side, gently twist that open, attach my chain, and then I'm going to attach my butterfly. I'm going to take my pliers, twist that back into place. And then we're just going to do the same thing to attach the chain to the top of the butterfly. I'm going to use my 4mm jump ring, pliers on either side, just gently twist that open. Then I'm going to add my chain to the top of my butterfly. I'm going to take my pliers, twist that jump ring back together. Then for here, I'm going to want to go ahead and wrap my prism. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take 22 gauge wire and then I'm going to put my prism in the center and I'm going to push both sides up so that they crisscross at the top. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and take one of those and I'm going to point it straight up. Then I'm going to hold this right here with my pliers and I'm going to coil this around a few times. Then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. Next, I'm going to hold my wire at the top with my pliers and I'm going to bend it away, creating a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers at the top and I'm going to coil that around and make a little loop. Then I'm going to go ahead and hold it right here and then coil this back around until it reaches the coil below. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. Then for this one, to get the movement, I'm going to use a couple different jump rings with these hoops. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is open my 4mm jump ring and I'm going to attach my jump ring to the chain and to the bigger of the loops. twist that and close that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a jump ring and attach my loop or my hoop at the top. Same thing using a jump ring. Twist that jump ring open. Attach the chain and then attach the hoop. And this hoop at the top you can either attach to a nail on the wall, or you could tie a ribbon to it and attach it to the wall, whatever you'd like. So then for this next one, I'm going to open another jump ring. And I'm going to attach it to this jump ring and attach this hoop. And then I'm going to twist those jump rings back together. And so right now it's like this. I don't know if you can see quite the movement from this angle, but you can see that when it hangs, it gives it a 3D. And so then we're going to open this last jump ring. And I'm going to attach the prism to the bottom hoop we have, or the bottom jump ring. And then I'm just going to twist that back into place. And then the last thing that we need to do is attach this chain to the hoop. So I'm going to use another 4mm jump ring. I'm going to take my pliers, twist it open, attach the chain, and attach the bottom of this large hoop. I'm going to put my pliers on either side and twist it together. And that's all it takes to make this beautiful suncatcher. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.